Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn how to copy and use the shapes drawn by you in a GeoGebra worksheet. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Normally, the teachers will be asking how to use the figures which we have drawn in GeoGebra worksheet for preparing question papers, or it may be for any other purpose. For that, I want to just tell you that I want to get the figure for this particular question, angle made by a chord at the center and its connection with the angle made in the alternate segment. But I want to draw a figure and I am going to put it in this question paper. For that, I have taken a GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. I will take the geometry view. In the options, I will go for labeling of new points only. Now in option also rounding off to 0 decimal place. Okay, now let me go for a circle first. A circle with center, and then radius let me have it as 5, so that a little bit considerable big circle will come for me, and I can reduce it also afterwards. Now normally the center will be renamed as capital O. I want a chord. For that, let me go for point on the object. Let me put at A and B. Okay, this can be renamed after that, and if you want it. Now I will go for this chord. This is segment A and B. Let me go for one more point on the alternate segment. Let me join that also. This all of you know how to do it. We are doing it for this purpose. And angle made at the center. Once again, C and B. We want to show the children the angles made. Therefore, angle, either you can show the angle made at the center and then ask the angle made at the alternate segment. Therefore, angle, I will go in anti-clockwise direction, A, O and C. Now the angle is shown. It is 52 degrees, 1 or 2 degrees. Again, the other angle also you can show. Angle A, C and B. Okay. Now you see, for the children, we don't want to show this angle beta. For what you can do is, you can right click it, go for object property. There are so many ways of doing it. Basic, in that don't show it. Okay, now you see, the name and value is not showing there. Is it okay? Here also, if you don't want to show alpha, that also you can go for here, object property. In the basic, if you want to show only the value, you can show only the value. You see, value is only shown. If you want to show alpha, beta and so on. Another thing, suppose if you want to make it little bit decorative, you can go for its color and its style also. You see, you are having the size also you can increase. Size also you can increase. And you can have a filling with this image, or sorry, the image with weaving, like that also you can. Okay, that I am not doing anything. Okay. Nothing I am doing now. Okay, I am just leaving it as it is. Nothing is there. Is it okay? I am not doing anything. I am just leaving it as it is. Is it okay? Now the filling I am not doing it. The filling, if you want to have dots, if you want to have anything, you want to have standard, that's okay. Standard is nothing. Okay, well now this also you can make it little bit big if you want. I think as usual you can make it size a little bit big. And you can give a color to it, and you can give a color to it. Okay, it is left to you. You can fill it, you can give a color to it. Okay, now you see, now a child, this is actually a thing which you want to just ask the question. You can make it as 1 or 2, or whatever the value you want, you can just keep it. Okay, now this figure, I want it to be copied for the question paper. Very simple. There are 2 ways of doing it. One is go to this file, go to this export. In that export, you are having graphic view to clipboard and graphic view as a picture. What is the difference between it? Graphic view as a picture, if you do it, this particular picture will get saved in your computer permanently. For example, when I click it, it will ask. But remember, here you should be very careful. You should not make it transparent. Okay, then you have to simply save it. It will ask you where you want to save it. I will save it in the desktop. I will give it as for QP, for question paper. Okay, then I am saving it. Okay, now let me see whether it has been saved. I will just show you. You see, it is saved. Okay, now if you want to save it in a particular image, PNG image, then you can use it for others also. For example, you can use it for in the future also. You can use it. Okay, well, now it has been saved. No problem. Okay, it has been saved. It is opening slowly. Okay, it is opening slowly. Okay, now the other way of doing it is go to this file, go to this export to clipboard. What is the meaning of clipboard? It will go to the clipboard and it will not be a permanent one, it will be a temporary one only. Therefore, click it. Come back to this Word file first. You see this pasting option is there. Paste it. Now it is got pasted. The only problem is when I click it, I am getting some unwanted white space also, which is from the GeoGebra worksheet. How to do it? Very simple. After pasting it, you see this is the menu bar. You know that in the menu bar of Word, you click it, you see the menu bar. After this help, what happens? One format getting opened. I am coming out, clicking it, format getting opened. Click that format. In that cropping, simply cropping means you have to just simply cut it using the scissors. This dotted black line, you just bring it over here. This bring it over here. Whatever you required, only I need only this figure, but I don't want anything else. Okay, okay, come out. Okay, now you see it has been done. Okay, another thing in MS Word is you can move it only from left to right like that, but you cannot move as per your convenience. For that also, once again, click it, format will open, go to this wrap text, go to this either square or tight. Okay, once again I repeat, this cannot be moved, this cannot be moved. For that, click it, format will get pop up, go to this wrap text, go to this tight or square, either of them. I will take tight. Now you are able to move it. Now put it in a place which is required by you. You see, fantastic question paper. In the figure, AB is the card and find angle ACB. Okay. Now see that the PNG image is fantastic. Now it is saved as for question paper in your computer permanently. Okay, well, now once again I want to paste this one in PowerPoint presentation. For example, same thing, go to this file, go to this export, go to this view to clipboard. Okay, then come back to this PPT. This PPT already have made the question paper. Simply you can paste it. See, paste it. It got pasted now. As usual, some unwanted things will be there. Again, the same format, cropping. Okay, just to crop it. Whatever is not required, you can crop it. You can crop it. Then you can crop it, and you can crop it. Okay, now what is the difference between a Word file and then here the Word file and this one is, here what you can do is in the Word file you cannot move this, but here you can move this. You see, you can move this. Okay, that is the only difference. Now you see here the figure which you have drawn can be saved either permanently or it can be saved for your convenience, and it can be used for putting in your question paper, or it can be used whenever you are preparing any presentation. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.